What's up? What's up? It's your girl, Erica V. All right, so I'm sitting up at my pool in Jamaica, and I was thinking, all right, so it's been 21 years I've been in direct sales, like literally today, okay? And how my business evolved because I put in the effort and I made changes, right? Out of necessity. So hear me out on this, all right? So I had 2 little kids. I had my mom who was ill. I was taking her to 3 to 5 doctor's appointments a week. And I was like, I have to get to the next level in my business because I believe I'm meant for more. So I was like, I'm going to do this virtual thing. This is 16 years ago, okay? And let me tell you guys that I'm so glad that I did. Now, it's hard when you're ahead of the curve or you're ahead of the times because you know how hard it was to get people to do virtual. So literally, it was, what was that thing called? Start with an S. What was it? I can't remember. It was just this video chat thing that we could do. What the heck was it called? I can't remember now. Anyway, so that was a challenge, but I did it, or I did a phone call, or, I did so many different things, or I made a video and I sent it to them. I had to figure it out. And then fast forward, I was like, okay, I'm going to do a Facebook event, but I need to do it on Zoom because not everyone has Facebook. Y'all, I didn't have a paid Zoom. People didn't know how to use Zoom. This was a long time ago, right? I can't remember what year that was. So this is exactly how it went. I had 2 laptops. One was here, and then another laptop was in front of me. So Zoom was that way, Facebook was that way. So I did this back and forth. This is how I did my Facebook Live, my Zoom. And guess what happened? Well, Zoom times out, doesn't it? If you don't have a paid plan, it hung up on everybody. So now my phone is blowing up. You're so unprofessional. It hung up on us, blah, blah, blah. See, people didn't have patience back then. They didn't know about the Zoom. They didn't know how it works. I didn't know how it works, okay? So my whole point is I've learned a lot over time. And if you're afraid to step out in the virtual world, let me tell you, it is way easier now. And thanks to the pandemic, most people understand Zoom. There's some people who don't love it. So there's alternatives like StreamYard and things like that. You don't have to download an app. But there's so many things that you can do in your business virtually, right? So if you want to be in Jamaica, come see me in May for the Women's Entrepreneur Retreat, by the way. But if you want to be on a holiday, if you want to be in an airplane, on a boat, an RV, at your kid's game, at a doctor's appointment, you can do all that if you have a strategy when you're working virtually. Now you can have a combo business. Maybe it's virtual and in person. Maybe that's a good way to do it because if you love in person, but then people have to cancel because they can't make it, their car has a flat tire, whatever, you can just be like, oh, no problem. Let me just send you a link. And they can pop on. So it's going to help you to make way more money, okay? So I never told anyone that you have to go live. I've never said that. You can do so many things virtually that go with your personality. But let me just say this to you. Don't allow fear of judgment. I really think that's what holds people back. Fear of judgment to allow you not to live the life of your dreams, My first video, I decided I had 1 team member, and I was like, well, I know I'm going to have more team members. So my first video, literally, I turned all the lights off. I had a lamp on me. I sat on a stool, and I showed them, how I organize my office. And this is how the video was the whole time. It was up my nose, okay? And I laugh at it now, and I think, oh my gosh, I didn't know better then, but I kept going, and I'm so proud of that video. And whatever your first video is now, or your first live, be proud of it, because you did what a lot of people are unwilling to do, and that's to step out of their comfort zone and stop allowing the opinions of others to dictate your paycheck, because that's exactly what you're doing. If I can help you in any way, please reach out. I have a Pumpkin Biz Challenge coming up. It's 5 days, and it's going to transform your business. There's 10, that's what I was trying to say, 10 complimentary spaces left. So if you go to pumpkinbizchallenge.com, and you can choose the free option, or if you want to upgrade, have a session with me, or if you want the workbooks, whatever it is, or the replay, so you can use it as a reference. You choose how you would like to participate, but don't snooze on this. Let me help you to see the strategy that you can use regardless of your personality to show up differently online, how to convert people who are watching you or not watching you or former clients or people in the world into paying clients fast for you, not overwhelmingly fast. You choose how fast. But if you want to change your business in 5 days, I can absolutely help you. But truly, this is only for motivated people. I'm at a stage in my life and business that's all I want to work with is motivated people. So again, pumpkinbizchallenge.com. Hope to see you.